some people say we're in a new civil rights era, but do you think that's right? Do you think we are? Or?
In the new civil rights era, well, it's different. During the sit-ins, when they were throwing sit-inners over the lunch counters and throwing water and ice cream and what have you on them, we did not fight back, but we were the ones that were arrested. So it's just a little bit different.
Less known about Memphis than rock and roll and civil rights history is a landmark Supreme Court case, Tennessee versus Garner, that laid out how police may or may not use force against anyone who is trying to get away. There were no cameras rolling in 1974 when Memphis officer Elton Hyman was called to a burglary in progress. Hyman shot and killed Edward Garner as the 15-year-old tried to get away with $10 and a purse. Key to Tennessee versus Garner was that Officer Hyman said he did not believe Garner had a weapon. With Justice Byron White writing for the majority, the court ruled that an officer may use deadly force only if he has probable cause to believe that a suspect poses a significant threat of death or physical injury to the officer or others. Within that language, law enforcement came to find the familiar lines, reaching for his waistband and fear for my life. It is not better that felon suspects die than they escape, White wrote. The Supreme Court may have created as many questions as answers, and did not begin to answer questions like, can police brutality to a citizen be what police call restraint or self-protection?
Get out of the car!
When is a lawful order just an awful order that only antagonizes?
I'm giving you a lawful order.
Who's to answer those questions? Can police police themselves? Can Wall Street police itself? Can the banks, the chicken pluckers, the internet providers, do we trust them to tell us, don't worry, we got this? Or does somebody else need to watch and require accountability? Who's to step in and say, we want better police and a better city, and to ask, who will watch the watchers?
You need to leave.
Am I on public property?
Back up! Back up!
Excuse me.